Hi friends! Guess who we have today? We have Baby. Hi Baby! He looks mighty cute with that purple hat. Thank you. And we have the amazing Peppa Pig in her beautiful yellow dress. Oink, 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 oink. We're gonna have so much fun today because we have an amazing gumball machine today. Let's start playing with this gumball machine. Are you ready, Peppa and Baby? Let's go get that gumball machine. It's a beautiful gumball machine. Look at all them gumballs. Oh no! Oh no, Baby! Oh no! We have to go help clean that up now, Peppa. Let's go do that. Oink, oink. Okay. Okay. All cleaned up now. And let's get ready to play this gumball machine. Okay, let's start playing this gumball machine. First color is what is that? Orange. We have an orange gumball. Orange. Next color is what is that? Pink. Pink gumball machine. Pink gumball from the machine. Pink. Next color. Orange. That's an orange gumball. Come on there. Ooh, green. That is a beautiful green gumball. Peppa and Baby. So look cute. Come on, machine. Blue. What a purple blue gumball machine. Blue. Ooh, yellow. It's a yellow gumball. Yellow. It matches Peppa Pig. Yellow. That must be delicious, Peppa. Yellow just like Peppa Pig's shirt and yellow like Baby's bib. So cute. Next color. Pink. We have another pink gumball. Pink. Pink like Baby's shirt. Pink like the flower on Peppa Pig's shirt. Pink. Good job. Next color. Red. We have a beautiful red round gumball. Red. Red like the letter Y on Baby. And also red like the number 3. Red. Next color. Orange. Another orange gumball. Next color. It's another pink. Come on. Pink gumball. Pink is really popular. Next color. Uh-oh. I think it's kind of stuck. Let's give it a wiggle. There it goes. Blue. It's a beautiful blue gumball machine. Well, gumball. Look at all these gumballs. Beautiful, beautiful gumball. They're so yummy. Who wants to blow some bubble gum with this? Do you want a gumball? What color would you like? We have many, many colors. Delicious. How about the next color? Look at that. Is that black or purple? It actually looks like a purple. Almost kind of like baby's hat. Next color. A green gumball. Look at that green shiny gumball. Like the letter B. It also matches the trim of the board. A red gumball. Red. Uh-oh, let's give it a wiggle. There he goes. I see a blue color. Blue. Look at all these gumballs we got from the machine. Let's separate the colors. Blue. Pink. Green. Orange. Red. Yellow. Purple. Oh, another orange. Let's move the orange up above because there's 3 orange and 2 green, 2 red, 1 yellow, 1 purple. Look at that. And that's all, guys. Peppa, goodbye. Thank you for all your help today. And Baby, thank you for your help today too. I had a blast with you. Thank you so much.